everyone, so today I'll be showing you how to make a basic vanilla ice cream. So all you need is some milk and cream and also this pure vanilla extract. So first, and also you can add some sugar, but I'm not adding that. So first, you use some milk and just pour some into it. Okay. So, and don't pour too much milk because the main thing in the ice cream is the cream. So you will need a lot of cream. So, probably this big. And also I need another spoon here. And then you mix them up. So I like to use this big spoon to just like, actually I need some more milk. So, So I've just added some milk, and so now you can mix them up. And so just mix them up properly. And after that, you just put a little bit of this. Don't put too much, because if there's too much, the ice cream will be not good. So just 1 spoonful, I think, will be enough. Okay, so that is enough for this, and now you mix again. And so now you have finished with your cream, and so you can add some ice in it, and it all became real ice cream. And also I think I need to add some more cream. So yeah, so that's how you make vanilla ice cream. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it.